Important questions for economics. What is the elasticity of a demand, and explain the different kinds of price elasticity of demand. So here you first have to write the definition of elasticity of demand. Then types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity, cross elasticity, and income elasticity. Degrees of elasticity of demand: there are 5 cases: perfectly elastic or infinite elasticity. Next is relative elastic demand. Third is unitary elastic demand. Fourth is relatively inelastic. Perfectly inelastic demand. So when the question is asked, what is elasticity of demand, that time you have to write the definition and then the cases. Different kinds of price elasticity. Then there are 3 types, and in the degrees of elasticity of demand there are 5 cases. You have to explain these 5 cases. Define the concept labor and wages and explain the different theories of wages. So labor means the unskilled work is generally considered as a labor, but in economics, labor means both the physical and the mental work undertaken for a monetary consideration. Labor is not only a means of production but also an end of production. So here are the characteristics of labor. Then the concept is wages. Types of wages: time wages, price wages. Task wages, cash wages, kind wages, and service wages. Now wages theories. Wage theories: substantious theory of wages. It is also known as iron law of wages or bronze law of wages. This is the first theory of wage. First you have to write the explanation, then its criticism. Second theory is the wage fund theory. Then the drawbacks of the theory. Third is standard of living theory of wages. Then the drawbacks of the theory. Fourth is the residual claimant theory of wages and its criticism. Next question is explain the problems of inequality of India and state the measures to eradicate. So here what are the major problems which give rise to inequality in India? First you have to write. Then the measures to eradicate the inequality in India, inequality problems in India. Just read the points that the government should provide the woman in every field, so gender discrimination will be eradicated. Our literacy population will be increased when women are promoted. So how to remove the inequality? So these are the points. Write the changes in India's foreign trade since 90s and explain the concept of BOP, balance of payment. Next is the difference between the positive and normative economics. I have already explained all these concepts in the previous videos. Just I am going to tell the important questions in these videos. Then next is the micro and macroeconomics. Difference between monopolistic and perfect competition market. Write the causes of low agricultural productivity in India and state the measures to improve the productivity. Causes of low productivity in India: population pressure, uncertain monsoons and inadequate irrigation facilities, decline in soil fertility, and lack of acknowledgement and inadequate technologies. State the measures to improve productivity. Write a short note on SEBI and WHO, World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization is an intergovernmental organization It is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India. Functions of SEBI. So here I have completed all the important questions related to the economics. This is about the semester 1 BLS LLB.